books and playing games when there's sunny weather.
La 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 la.
If there's rain, they're singing songs or reading books together.
La 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 la.
Every day just has a way of feeling extra lucky.
La 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 la.
When you spend it with a friend, just like Bjorn and Bucky. Just like Bjorn and Bucky. The weather forecast.
Bucky's limber, Bucky's spry. This bear is on fire.
Now let the badminton tournament begin!
I'm ready to win big.
Oh yeah? Well, I'm ready to win bigger. Game on, guys! Blam!
Pow!
Hiya!
Oh! Shuttlecock retrieval. Oh! Kaplow! Shuttlecock retrieval. What are you, on break?
Stop the game! It's all over. It's a tie!
It's a tie? I want to win! We have to keep going.
Let's do it then.
Bucky's pumped, Bucky's spry. This bear is wet. Run! Save yourselves! Hurry! You ever see a wet bear? We look ridiculous! Oh, my fur is gonna be frizzy for a week.
Dumb old thunderstorm. It spoiled our fun afternoon. If only we'd known in advance that all this rain was coming, then we could have planned the tournament for a different time instead. Hey, we could do that. There's a way to predict future weather. Let's go outside and I'll show you.
Well, we're outside. Show us how to predict the weather.
We need to observe the birds. If they're flying close to the ground, rain might be coming. And if they're flying way up high, we're in for sunny weather. But where are the birds? There are none around. Then we just have to wait.
Idea! No more waiting around. Birds are for the birds. What I'm gonna do is build a mechanical weather predictor. Franny, Chicky, let's get going. Yes! See the saw! See the saw! Oh, that is looking sweet! Presenting my new awesome invention, the truly brilliant Rain-O-Matic Brain-O-Matic! Ta-da! It's all very simple. I put my avian macrochip right in the basket, which the balloon then skyifies. At the first sign of rain, the avian macrochip relays a signal to those on the ground. And that's that. Any questions? Good. Where's my macrochip? Ah! Excellent. If you see any weather, just be sure to let us know down here. Good, macrochip.
Finally, there's a bird! Flying high. All right, that means rain's not coming. I need to go tell the guys. Yay!
Chicky Chip, you're back! And you're all wet, which must mean rain. It'll be here soon. We need to tell Bjorn.
Bucky, sunny weather's coming!
Hey, Bjorn, here comes rain!
We're gonna have sunshine.
No, we're not, Bjorn. Here comes rain.
No, here comes sunshine.
No, rain!
Hey, look, you guys, it's snowing. Does look like snow, which means that we won't be playing any more games.
Sigh. I guess I should have built a snow-o-matic. Oh, heck, no-o-matic.
So, Bjorn, have you got some skis by any chance?
Of course! Skis, yeah!
We can have
have a tournament of winter badminton.
Uh-huh. This was a really cool idea.
Game on, guys!
Here comes my super serve. Kablamo!
Boom!
Kerthwack! Ha! Ugh.
Yay! Kapow!
Ugh. Shuttlecock retrieval. Hey, is that a rain cloud?
Honey story. I'll be right there. Bucky, Franny, try a little of my wild berry tea. It's crazy good for you. Made from raspberries and dewberries and farkleberries. I pick them myself.
Thanks a lot, Bjorn. So tasty.
Blech. Ugh, it's sour. You should add some, like, marmalade.
Nah, it doesn't need any marmalade. You just need to get used to it.
Oh, add some chocolate.
It does not need chocolate.
Well, then, honey?
You could add that, sure.
You know what? I've never tried honey before in my life. Not once.
What? No, honey? We have to fix that. You're about to take your first step into a yummier world, Franny, my friend. Well, let's go collect some honey from the bees for you to enjoy.
I'm not getting stung. Forget that. Who needs bees? I'll make my own honey. If the bees can do it, so can I. I can do way better than a bunch of bugs. Honey. Making honey. Now, what am I gonna need? Not that. Not that either. That I will need. Negative, affirmative, negatory, absentively. Nope. Nope-a-rooney. No, thank you. This should come in handy.
All right, then. Dear bees, good day. Could I perhaps have some honey? Hello? Oh, that didn't work. So, plan B.
So, how does the honey natorizer work, you ask? Well, it's simple. Of course, everybody knows honey is made from pollen. So, we begin with a pollen gathering device, or pollen slurp-up-a-natorizer. Once slurp-up-a-natorized, the pollen dissolves in water and mixes with sugar. Why sugar? Because everybody in the world knows that honey's very sweet. That's right, Chickie. Time to make the world's first bear honey. This is very exciting.
Dear bee buddies, please let me take a little bit of your fine honey. And to say thanks, I'll sing you a nice song. Taking walks and playing games when there's sunny weather. La, if there's ouch, ah! Rain, they're singing, wah! Reading books together. La, oh. Every day just has a way. I'm very sorry. I didn't mean to upset you.
Get along, little horsey up a natorizer. Yee-haw! So, here we go. Slurp, yes. Yikes!
Bucky! Oh, save me from this army of bees! Ah, get off that whateverizer and help me, Bucky!
Bjorn, hold on! I'll save you!
Yeah, when? Because now would work great for me! Phew!
So, you like my honey? Ha! I'm sure it's great! Ugh! Gross! That's like evil anti-honey! Oh, my plan like big super failed plus.
My plan hyper crashed and burned as well. All I got was stung all over.
Bjorn, I'm sorry. It's not smart to get so close to bees.
What did you say? And what if you didn't have to get close to the bees? Franny, you're a mega genius. I'll be back. Come on.
Okay.
This way, the bees won't bother us at all. You see, Bjorn? Go left, back to the right, up a little, and we're in! Yeah! Now, a little slurp down-inatorization, and we are in the honey.
Well, you're right. Honey is very delicious.
Also, it's nutritious.
Turns out bees do pretty fine work. They've got me beat. My bear honey was a whole new kind of awful. Gardeners! Hey there, Bjorn. So, why are you throwing all these seeds around?
Hey, Bucky. Good morning. I'm not throwing them around. I'm planting a vegetable garden. It's going to be completely organic.
So what does that mean? What's the word? Floor panic?
It's where
What?
you scatter your seeds around and then let nature do the rest. Completely organic, yeah!
There's just no way you can leave this stuff to nature. You need to be technological. I'm talking about civilization!
Hi, Bjorn. Hi there, Bucky. What's happening?
Morning, Franny. Hi.
What's up? We're both planting vegetable gardens. Bjorn will do his organic thing while I use technology.
That's spectacular. I'm off to pick blackberries. Later.
I'm gonna be like the greatest gardener in the history of gardens. Genius time farmer style. Behold, the Farminatortron Omaticizer! So, where do I want to plant all these seeds? I feel the need. The need for seed! I will make the planet feed me! There, all planted. What's step 2? Right, water time! Whoa! Well, looks like it's clearing up. Bjorn, hey! What are all these green things over here? I don't think they're vegetables.
Actually, they're weeds. They won't cause problems. They're harmless. The weeds are also part of the organic world.
Well, you might not mind, but I don't want any weeds in my garden. Now I feel the need to weed! Take that, silly weeds! Very, very quite contrary. Let my garden grow! Huzzah! Who are these little guys?
Calm down. They're harmless insects. Don't worry. They don't interfere with my garden at all. Part of nature, right?
Well, they sure interfere with my garden. Chicky, attack the bugs!
Nature will straighten everything out itself.
Think what you like. My garden's gonna get lots of fertilizer.
Huh?
Hi there. I brought you some blackberries, guys. How are your gardens doing?
Look! Mine has no weeds, mine has no insects, and lots of rocking fertilizer. So fertile! That's technology.
Franny, hey, do you want to take a look at my garden? No chemicals at all. Organic, nature's way.
Organic's awesome. Really cool, Bjorn. And yours is cool, Bucky. But where are your crops?
They're somewhere in here. I mean, they must be in here somewhere, right? I just have to find them. Oh, hold on, I know they're close by. Wait.
Well?
Crops incoming! Where are the tomatoes? They should be here. I just need to look for them. There. Just come on. Hey, I found one. Well, they're not big. Bjorn, this is all your fault.
And why is it my fault?
I'll tell you why. 'Cause your weeds are everywhere.
So? What do my weeds have to do with anything?
Hey, guys. What if you two take a step back and see if you put your cute heads together, you can figure this out.
I'm not sure, but thanks for your input.
I should get going. Bye, guys.
Well, so, you want to try this?
Try this what?
Combining our different ways.
We could try it, but there can't be any weeds.
That's fine. And maybe a bit less cannons and screaming. Look what we did! It's better to work together than apart. Don't you think, Bucky?
Duh! We actually make a pretty good team, the two of us. Dude, we should be on TV!
Yeah.